Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle, aka Jaylana, and today I'm here with a sponsored video by Lasmile kit. So basically this is a teeth whitening kit, and I've been wanting to try this. It's so funny that they actually contacted me because I'm like, dang, like this toothpaste ain't doing it. Like they look a little pearly right here, but I feel like they could be better. They could be, you know, something different. So basically I'm just gonna read what it says it includes on the back and some of the ingredients it has in here. I'm super excited to try it. So it has a whitening accelerator that you put in your mouth. It has an advanced whitening gel that you put inside the accelerator, and then it says it has a paper shade guide on like if you want to, like how white you're trying to get your teeth, maybe how long it'll take. We'll see once we go in there. It has a manual inside the box and a mouth tray, I believe, for the accelerator. I'm not sure. We'll find out. So the ingredients is see, look, I'm probably going to put it on the screen. It's vegan friendly, not tested on animals, and it has fast results. So that's great because I'm trying to show you what it looks like tomorrow. So we have the Lasmile teeth whitening kit. And then we're just gonna open it. Okay, these are our advanced whitening gels. Nice. It's our manual. This is a mouth tray. This is the whitening accelerator. The paper shade of the teeth colors right here in the manual. Okay, so one, we're gonna brush our teeth with toothpaste. You know, that's the first step. Then number two, you're going to take the battery out of the LED light, remove the plastic, and reinsert battery to turn it on. So there's a plastic thing that you have to take out of the battery so that the battery can actually work so you can turn it on. Number three is you're going to simply attach the mouth tray to the whitening accelerator. Got you. So it's going to be protecting and whitening your teeth at the same time. Then you're going to apply 1/4 syringe of whitening gel to the top and also to the bottom of the mouth tray. Apply to the face of the mouth tray. We're gonna figure out what face means, but I don't know what that means. Relax and let the whitening process begin. The LED light will automatically turn off once your 10-minute session is up. Rinse mouth with warm water to rid of any residue. Then smile. Daily use is recommended for best results. Limit the intake of dark colored food and beverages such as red wine, coffee, and tea before and after application. Apply pressure to the mouthpiece while whitening. So you kind of want to bite down on it so you get the best results. So that was really simple. Okay guys, so I am like an hour later. I don't know if I can see a difference. My teeth aren't that bad anyway. That's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you go follow Lasmile teeth whitening kit, and I'm gonna make sure that I put everything in the description box down below. You can get a discount code, so I'll link it right here. And yeah, I really do like it. It was pretty comfortable, and it's the whitening accelerator told you like when the 10 minutes was over, so you do it for 10 minutes and you just do this for about a whole week until you see a difference, or you keep going whenever you run out of the syringe. And yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next one. Bye.